Clearly, I have the same vision with the governor, but you need people like us, people like you, who have the right mindset to push in effort to make Edo great. And that's what we are doing. Some persons say, oh, the government have given the Osage money. The truth of the matter is, I have not received any one call from any state official. I am not doing it because I want something from the government. I am doing it with the whole of my heart, because that's what I can give back. If I can leave the United States of America to do all the work we do, with all the insult we receive, it means that when I'm passionate about something, when I decide to be for you, I am going to be for you. I am going to be for you no matter what. That's my attitude. I don't know how to fake. Young people say, oh, they don't give them money. You need to remove that mindset that young people should depend on politicians before you support them. And that's the way it is in Nigeria. Many people believe, say, ah, yes, 10 million. You cannot work for a politician. Majority of the young people in Nigeria cannot work for a politician unless the politician is giving them money. Majority of the young people in Nigeria will not work for a politician unless the politician is giving them money. And it's wrong. I voted for Donald Trump in his first tenure. We have a small group of African community who believe in the same ideology. $10, 20 euro. This one bring, this one bring. We raise money together. We make some t-shirts. All right. In America, it is a community that raise money to support the political party of their choice. But in Nigeria, politicians give money to individuals, to organizations, to campaign for them. I don't believe in that ideology. I saw my young man about Obaze, my little brother, about ranting on social media, saying all manner of things against me. I think that's unfair. Once again, I saw my little brother about Obaze ranting on social media, saying all manner of things against me, that will put some persons on billboard, that they don't know those people, that only Governor Obaseki is allowed to do that, only Governor Obaseki is allowed for you to send donation to an account. That's crazy. I will agree that as smart as the governor of Edo State is, if he sees that video about Abat, he will be very, very ashamed of him. It is called strategy, Abat. This is for Abat. Mr. Abat, I love you so much. I love the fact that you have so much energy, man. But you focus your energy in the right areas of life. Abat Obaze, I think you are a good man, and I don't blame you. Your upbringing can definitely affect your mental state, mental thinking, man. Your upbringing, if you grow up in a community or in an environment or in a house where there's so much hate, where there's so much jealousy, you are going to grow up to become like that. If you grow up in a house where they worship Allah, you are going to grow up to be a Muslim. If you grow up in a house where the Christianity is practiced, you're going to grow up to be a Christian. All right? So I think that Abat is a really good guy, but the environment he grew up in has influenced his thinking, and we can correct that. I don't hate you, bro. For Abat, I don't hate you. Why do you go on social media every day to castigate me, to lie against me, to say all manner of things against me? I don't think that's fair. It's not fair. I mean, you think about it. You have, since 3 years now, 3 good years, since 2017, after my Europe tour, your head went blue. You started going crazy, bro. I don't think it's necessary for you to be that. After 3 years, you lie that the boys I'm helping, the young boys that pick up from the street, that I'm collecting money for them. It was a lie. Those same young boys now, they are living with me. Some of them are at work. Some of them is in Word of Faith. Those young boys, Abba tried to castigate. When I picked up those young boys, Osamu Diame, all these young guys, Osamu Diame is in Word of Faith, one of the best schools in Edo State. Osamu Diame that Abba castigated me about that. Oh, you want to pick boys on the street, he's doing this, he's collecting money, he's not helping them. Osamu Diame is in Word of Faith. Gift is working with me. I gave him a job. These are young boys that could be wasting on the streets. You lie that I'm wanted in America and all that. Ever since I have been to America over 17 times since 2017. Tell us, where have you been since 2017? Now this is for you, Abat. Since 2017, where have you been outside of Edo, Abuja, and Lagos? It's not more than that. So we need to stop the idea of trying to pull down our own brother that we see that is doing so well, so much for the people. Let's assume I am wrong once, which I am not. Let's assume that I am wrong once. What about the 100 good things I have done? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this guy tried for this one? Why have you not made a comment to say, ah, this gu That is how you know a true man, a real man who is not one-sided. I attended your wedding, Albert, with all the insults you've insulted our family, insulted me, insulted my members around the world. Mr. Roy in Edo State called for a meeting and went there to meet you, Albert. I met you at around Boundary Road 76. The young man, Mr. Roy, big thank you to you. You're a good man in Edo State. One big guy, Mr. Roy. Thank you so much. I'll reach out to you to also appreciate you. He called. I said, man, I don't hate you. Why the hate? Forget. Let's go. Boom, boom. We gone. At your wedding, you invited some of my members around the world. I was in Edo State. I came with over 10 persons to celebrate with you. What manner of love could be more than that? After all the insult you passed on me, I was still calm enough to attend your wedding. After your wedding, you started again. Alright? After your wedding, nothing else, you started ranting again. Now, after that, my people called me again. I met you at East Snow Hotel with some of my friends from Canada. We met, we hugged, and we let it go again. The third time coming again, you still ranting, bro? Are you not ashamed? Let's be real. I don't hate you, bro. I come in peace. Are you not ashamed that in 3 good years you have been ranting about the same person, but you have never left your comfort zone? I want to ask some of your followers or people who know you. They have seen me in Italy. They have seen me in Belgium, in Canada, in America, in Italy, in France. I've been at all these places, but you are still in the Amagba village doing a live broadcast from there. You cannot progress that way, bro. It's an advice. I am not batching you. You cannot progress as a father that you are. You are not a father, man. Even my boys, Osamudia, men, and Gift and Belumi, I don't yell when they are around because I want to set a steady standard of father to them. How do you think your own son will grow up when he wakes up in the morning? Even before he wakes up, your voice is the one that wakes the young man up, ranting and shouting and mocking people in your house. Do you think it's fair? Do you think it's fair as a father? Let's be real. Let's put sentiment aside. Let's be real that as a father with a boy that is about a year old now, every time he wakes up, it's the voice of his daddy that wakes him up, shouting, "Hey, no, he's a thief, big boy, Come on, man. I can understand that if you are angry that I just came into the team and I'm already doing well. I think that's the only thing that can create so much hate. That I came into the team to support the Obaseki movement and I have done so well. What you should be doing is colliding with the Godsaid Foundation to see how we can register more people, man, to support Obaseki. We have crowd every day. Just visit our office. Come there tomorrow. We have crowd every day. Last week alone, we have a registration of 540 people who came to our office. It's a good number for you. 1 vote counts. Okay, let's talk about the billboard. The young man is complaining that I want to erect the billboard. He collect 10,000 naira. What's 10,000 naira? This is it. Do you know that about 4 persons have called me already from the billboard we have mounted? We have mounted 2 already. 4 persons have called me that my people say they see me. Do you know that it's a good marketing strategy, a good political strategy to have a billboard with different people, real faces and real name on the city center there? These are the people from the diaspora supporting the government. Do you know what that means? Do you know what it means that your cousin is driving by Ring Road? They look at the picture, they say, "Oh wow, Victor Ojo. Hey, see my uncle. They support Obaseki." Do you know that only that picture alone can also convince people who are supporting Obaseki to support him? Are you not smart enough to understand the little concept? It's a concept. The video, the billboard with the different people on it is a strategy that I think is going to work. Because if you are in that billboard, your brother is in that community, they will see it, and because of that, they can turn their mind to support our man. It's a fact. You are walking around the city center, you saw, let's say, DJ Bobby, one of the biggest DJ in Manchester. DJ Bobby is also on it, Mr. Dan, one of the biggest DJ in Manchester. See DJ Bobby, so now DJ Bobby, DJ Bobby, they support Obaseki. Now, wow, nice, bless me, I will support. These are concepts that can work, right? Okay, billboard, only 10,000 naira, there are 16 people on that billboard. 16 people pay 10,000 naira is 160,000 naira. 160,000 naira. A billboard right now, if you know their number, you can call them and ask, it's 50,000 naira a month. Alright, I said, okay, let's target 10 billboard, 50,000 naira a month, let's do for 3 months. It's 150,000 naira just to have it there for 3 months. The printing is about 16,000 naira to print the banner. Alright, logistic fuel 4,000, let's say 70,000 naira in the initial stage, plus 20,000 naira for the printing and hanging, 150 for the 3 months duration we're going to hang the billboard. Is 170,000 naira. We have 16 people on that billboard, plus myself is 17. It's 170. So where is the idea coming from that you want to do this, you want to do this? Come on, bro. I want to truly encourage you, man. I'm not here to fight you, man, because I have 1 million things to do. I really do have 1 million things to do, bro. I have a lot of staffs that I'm trying to control. I have a lot of people that are reaching out to me to help them out. I should not be victimized because I am supporting something that you think that you are built. If you were smart, I think that what you should have done is have a welcoming party for me, because you must agree that I am more influential than you around the world. About Obasa, you must agree. It's not a competition, but you have to accept the fact that when a man is bigger than you, appreciate it. We can do things together. We can join in our voice. We can join in our effort. We can push. You come there with you and your cohorts, your lazy cohort. Come on, man. We are past that era, man. We are past that era, man. Link up, bro. Link up. Let's fly the world around. Let's go around the world, bro. Link up. Let's go around the world, man. The future is bright. Your continual hate to John Osage will spoil a lot of things for you, because the people who love John Osage will become your enemy, and I don't want that. I don't want people to hate you because of me. I don't want people to look at you, oh man, that guy, I hate him. No, that's not what I want. I want people to look at you and love you. I want the opportunity when you travel to America or you travel to Canada, people I know, I can say, Abat is in town, I'll show him love. You need to change from your ways, bro. Change from your ways. Accept God as your personal Lord and Savior. Because those who accept God cannot act the way you do. For 3 years, 3 good years. Man, it's crazy, man. Alright? So let's leave that aside. I hope that this message gets to you. I hope that you change your ways. Because I'm not here to fight you. I'm here to contribute what I have to the development of Obaseki regime, re-election. I want to support Obaseki. I have my reasons. Alright, my reasons of supporting Obaseki overnight should not be a nightmare for anyone. I'm an adult. I can say yes today and say no tomorrow. I don't need to be consistent on something, okay, because I don't like Obaseki, and I finally realized that this man is having half bright ideas for those things. I finally realized, so you want me to still be in denial, to say, no. I think Obaseki mean well for those people. I think Obaseki is confident in his ability to move Edo forward. I think Obaseki have good supporters like me, like you, like Smooth Prince, like Mama Island, like Victor Ojo, like DJ Bobby, like Eunice Okomose, all these good people around the world. Mama Beatrice, let's quickly address the case of Mama Beatrice. Okay, a lot of persons are joining that group. I want to thank you guys. Of course, I don't think Odion is not wrong for something change, because change is something that is constant in life. The only thing that is constant is not constant is love. Of course, yeah, I think so too. Change is very, very constant. Alright? If love was as constant as change, then the world would be a better place. If love is as constant as change, the world will be a better place. People change. Your family member can change on you, for good or for bad. The person you fed yesterday can turn around and stab you. The person you fed yesterday, just 24 hours ago, can turn around and stab you. We have heard so many cases where a gate man will kill their oga, a husband will kill their wife. So change is constant. You understand? So let's continue to believe that change is the most constant thing in life, and I have decided to support the governor of Edo State, not because I have an ulterior motive. I'm a very, very content young man. I'm not a hungry youth. I don't depend in politics to survive, because many young people do. Many young people believe in politics for them to eat. I am a creative young man. I have many great ideas that sells. I have many great ideas that sells. And I can even give you some. You understand? So let's continue to use our initiative to support the governor one way or the other. Not just writing on social media, say, talk back, or I support the governor. No, that's not support. Alright, if you're a part of the people that just go on social media to write, talk back, I love the governor, that's not the kind of support we're talking about. The kind of support is grassroots support. We are currently working on the plan to gather so many of those people we meet. Like yesterday, we had a meeting with a wheelbarrow guy, a wheelbarrow association. There's a lot of people doing wheelbarrow in Edo State, if not thousands of them. We can impart on them because of the fact that our organization have helped one of their members. Because of that single act of help, that man can also influence other people who are in the same industry with him. We have helped people that sell bakery. We have helped people that sell pure water. We have helped widows. All these are big strategies that we can use. Of course, not 100% of our God-sent member supporting the governor. I understand that. But as a leader of organization, majority should always win. I am sorry if you are not supporting the governor and we are propagating our foundation to support the governor. I think it's the right thing to do, because the foundation is working in the state where the governor is running at. Some people say, don't involve your foundation. No, that's not the dream I have. The foundation is to support anything that makes sense. My dream with the foundation is to support anything that makes sense. All right, that's my dream. I want the foundation to support anything that makes sense. And as the leader of the organization, in the right sense, if I tell you this is where we are going, you should go with me. I really hate the kind of support that has ulterior motives. If you are supporting me because you want Jenosege to act this way, because you want to control me, it's not going to work. If you are controlling me, or if you are supporting me because of the fact that you are supporting us or you are not supporting us, then you start telling us what to do. I don't think that's the kind of support I need. I want to have the kind of support that will believe in my intuition, that will believe in my instinct, that will believe that if Jenosege said he's going to do this, I think we should go for him. I think we should go with him. Because at the end of the day, the support we are getting is a dream I believed 10 years ago. What we are currently doing today with the God-Sent Foundation is a dream. I'm a very young man. I'm 38 years old. I'm 38. So imagine at the age of 28, I was already thinking all the things we are doing today. And the dream has just started. We have not even started. I'm looking at a situation whereby we can have a God-Sent Foundation clinic in every local government, a situation whereby we can have it in every state in Nigeria. But if we start biting each other, beating each other, condemning each other, we cannot achieve the dream. A win for Jenosege is a win for you. A win for me is a win for you. I am not a greedy person. My attitude over the years, I've shown that. 13 years ago, I helped my friend, not my family member, I helped my friend to the United States of America. 13 years ago. Let's continue to tell ourselves the truth. I think that only the truth can set us free. In the case of Mama Beatrice, and this is the truth, I have not even gone on her page to hear what she's saying, to see what I have not done that. People are sending me messages, what's happening with you and Mama Beatrice? God gave me witness. If I have ever been to her page or even listened to her conversation in the last 3 days or 4 days, I have not even heard from her. So, but I keep hearing people say, Mama Beatrice said this, Mama Beatrice said this, and you all need to stop judging what I put on my page and start relating it to someone. It's absolutely wrong. For example, I said, a mother that beat the child outside, or something I said about. Those are my random posts that I post. So if something is going on and you are now taking that post, relating it to what somebody else said, it is very, very unfair. It is very, very unfair to take the Onosage post when I did not mention any name. You not take it and start assuming or insinuating, castigating, revelating. Yes, now then they revelate war, castigate, influence. You know that the Onosage said this. The Onosage is talking to this person. Do you know how many calls I've received? I'm like, what the hell? Why are you all calling me? One mama just called me from Ireland not too long ago. I said, man, I don't even know what's going on. Say, Mama, you and Mama Beatrice, what possibly can Mama Beatrice say against me that will offend me? There's none. And that's the truth. There's nothing possible that Mama Beatrice can say against me, Onosage, that will offend me. No, I cannot. Because she has been there for me 100 times before that. She has been there for me when nobody was with me. She has shown me love a multitude times. When I'm in London, she drives 2 hours. Many of you can't even do it. She drives 2 hours, taking time off from her work just to come and see me. When you were against me, she was there crying every day for this young man that she so much believes in, right? A few years back, when you were in your house, she stood out to say, you know what, this is my son, I will die. I've seen all that. So an atom of a mistake or a hurt or an expression can never define me to disrespect Mama Beatrice. And that's my attitude. Your attitude may be wrong. Boy, no one might say, there's a parable in my kingdom that a person who do you good, you are not supposed to do them bad. Even if they later change. The people who will do me bad, I still give them a lot of chances. People who depend on me to survive, who have wronged me, I still give them chances to become a better person. So why would I say, because they said this, I will start saying, hey, no man, I'm more smarter than that, I am wiser than that, I'm not just an ambassador of peace, I'm a double chief and also a prince. Of course, I am not just an ambassador of peace, I am also a double chief in Okalo Kingdom, in the Ngwebe local government, a chief in Umuduba Kingdom. I am also a prince. She.
They don't know.
They don't know. All right. So please, my people, man, let's continue to see things differently, man. Life is not a competition. We are just here in this life like strangers passing by. The person you see yesterday may be dead tomorrow. So let's spread love more than hate. I'm very, very busy, man. I don't have no time for drama, man. I want Mama Beatrice to understand that because she was there for me, because she loved me, because when the whole world was against me, she stood out to support me. If I don't think of that as a human being, then I'm a coward. If I don't think about the love that has been shown to me by my different mamas around the world, if I don't understand that love, then I'm very, very, very stupid. Around the world, wherever I go, in Canada, when I go to Canada, Mama Jane Omoruyi sometimes take off work just to cook for me.
Royal welcome.
Of course, Mama Jane in Canada. When I go to Italy, go to all these places, people show me massive love. So now because the person now say, Onosage, you are a stupid boy, Onosage, you don't listen to anybody, Onosage, then we'll start fighting back. No, we can't do that.
Sure.
You understand? But at the end of the day, people's words do not matter to me. It is their actions towards me that defines how I see them. So you can shout and shout and shout, insult and insult. It doesn't matter to me. Because at the end of the day, I'm still a double chief.
Sure.
I'm still a double chief.
Sure.
Yeah?
Well.
Royal chief.
Well.
Yeah?
You don't know.
You don't know.
You don't know.
Alright, I think we've had enough time gisting today. Let's continue to be in love and harmony I think it's the best way forward. I don't think that all the drama is necessary. You have time for it. I don't. I have my diaspora event center that I'm trying to create. I have my diaspora estate right here in the Bejuleki. I have my Go Farm. Go Farm is there. I have my Go Sport is there. I have my God Sent Kitchen every Saturday. I have so many work to do.
Go travel.
I have Go Travel. I have so many things I am working on. As I speak to you right now, we are building a 25-room hotel along Auchi Road. It's a contract that was given to us, to my company, that I'm working on.
Too busy.
So when will I have time to start saying, this one said it, I will come on please. Leave me alone, let me be.
Too busy.
And if you are going to support me and expect to control me, please, don't support me. It's an humble appeal. If you are going to support me and try to control me, please don't do that. I'm an adult. You should support me with my decision. A support that is genuine is a support that will continue to support you no matter the decision you make in life. The kind of love I need is the kind of love that will always be with me no matter the decision I make in life. That's a humble love. That's a humble belief. I want to encourage you to continue to be your brother's keeper. Be your brother's keeper. Not in social media, but behind your brother. That's what makes you your brother keeper. What are you saying behind your brother? How are you defending your brother when people are saying negative things about him? That's what makes you a brother keeper.
Really?
Not to go on social media with your account. No, man. How many times have you reached out to me that this my brother is trying? Let me send him 50,000. Let me send him 100,000. Let him go and enjoy. I've been to Lagos and Benin and back during the COVID about 6 times. I've been to Benin and back 6 times because every time I'm in my comfort zone, there's always problem trying to address problem. People are there crying, suffering. They need my assist. I go there and work 10 days. Now I am in Lagos. What would you do? Would you reach out to me today to say Denosage, yes, 50K? Denosage, yes, I deserve it.
Real
Think about it.
Real talk.
For the amount of work I do, I deserve all the accolades in the world. I be Mama with Denosage. I be Denosage friend. It's not by mouth. It's about the show of support. And I've made it clear several times on our social media pages that, look, when people insult me, stop fighting for me on social media. I hate it. When people insult me on social media, when people say all negative things about me, stop going to their page and say, no. You are giving them more popularity. If somebody is talking negatively, if you don't go there to watch, you may never hear what they say. Yeah. I repeat, I have not watched Mama Beatrice's social media page in the last three days or 4 days. I have not even heard her speak. So it's you all that is bringing all these messages to me. Mama Beatrice said this one said, please keep it away from me. If you hear anything, believe it, but just keep it away. I don't want no drama, drama. You'll see for me before you come on to all right? So keep it away from me. And when you hear people saying negative things about me, don't bring it to me. I beg you. I want to live in peace, in harmony, in love, in unity, in togetherness.
Real.
I want your decision to be okay with you. I want to support any decision you make. We should not become enemy because Denosage have decided to support Obaseki re-elect. We should not make a decision because Denosage used to be a Christian, now you have chosen to be a Muslim. Denosage doesn't listen. You want me to listen to you? Are you for real? You want to advise me based on the way you think, not knowing that Denosage has his own way of thinking. It's crazy. I personally think that adults should not be advised. Adults should be prayed for because we all have our different decisions. There are young 38 years old boys like Denosage who are into gay.
Too many.
There are young people like me who are gay. And there are people still accept them. Families still accept them. What am I doing? What is Denosage doing? The only thing I'm doing wrong, I cannot really tell that I do not listen to advice, but you forget that I am the one that advised myself to become who I am today. It was me that advised myself before you could start supporting me. It was not an advice. The work I'm doing today, my mom was against it. My own mother was against all the work we are doing today, but she could not stop me 10 years ago. All I need from every woman, every father, every youth out there is an atom of love. When you see me, hug me. That's, bro, you too much. If a lizard fall from the tree and he doesn't see anybody saying, well done, he will say, yeah, I'm telling myself, well done. Well done for all the accomplishments. Well done for removing young boys from the streets. Well done for the initiative of creating free food every Saturday. Well done for the breakfast initiative. Well done for the platform you've created for widows. Well done for so many other things.
Yeah.
Well said, man. Alright, so that being said, I need some accolade. I need to support the Osage, who they walk the chop. I need to soft, man. I need to soft, and that's about it for right now. Let me take 1 or 2 questions there and let you guys go. Alright. Toby John, Dion, thank you. God, you run away from. Alright, let's take 1 or 2 questions there. I don't hate Dion, okay? I don't hate Dion. I will never do, but before doing anything, you have to probably, because he's a social media influencer, so that he supports a good initiative. Confused PDP and APC. Okay. Okay, God bless you, brother. All right, I think I'm done for today. Dion Sage, why are you always looking? Why are you asking you to look for? Okay. Dion Sage, why are they always asking you to look for work? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know why they are always asking me to look for work. Even with all the work I do, man. I have diaspora estates. Alright, a plot of land in diaspora estate sell for 3.5 million, and we have over 100 plots. I have diaspora event center. Alright, our event center continue to be one of the best in Edo State, where several events happen every day.
No doubt.
We have a Go car, Go taxi. We have about 15 vehicles on the streets that are remitting every day. So the ideas are too much. I don't know the kind of work they want me to do again. Just yesterday or so, I showed you guys photos of some of my staffs at the Godsend Foundation at our school. All right. Lucky Egariba, will you still put Beatrice's picture in our picture? Of course, why not? Why not? Our picture is a weekly program that we created to randomly pick people who we put in our office. All right, anybody that has supported one time is qualified to be in our office, but it's turn by turn, okay? Now you'll restart this foundation. Of course, I'm AMB Scott Bongo. Yeah, you're absolutely correct. Being real is what got me here, and I can't stop being real. People want me to live a fake life. People want me, Jelosaki, don't do this. Jelosaki, don't do this. No, I just want to be real. I just want to be free. I just want to be transparent. I just want to do things my way. I don't want to have an autumn because I'm a celebrity, as you know. Call me the African Michael Jackson or the African Wi-Fi. All right? Because if you are with me, you are going to be connected.
You don't know.
If you are with me, you're going to be connected more than MTN. I roam everywhere. I'm a roam.
Shit.
It's the truth. Anybody that look at the woman that came to our office.
I just got connected.
Yeah, you are connected already. Look at the woman that came to our office on last week. All right, who came to ask for 60,000 naira through our platform. She saw our childhood friend who sent her 100,000. That's Wi-Fi. That's connected. All right, let's keep going. Praise your supporter. They are the one that bring out the money. Of course, SCG, I always say that 150 times, that I continue to appreciate everybody that support the dream. And I also continue to tell them that your support of the foundation, you are not supporting Jelosagi. I always make it clear. You supporting the foundation, you are not supporting me. You are supporting the work. If you want to support me, send me a WhatsApp message and send me money. All right? And listen, again, please don't fight for me on social media. When somebody is insulting me, I'm telling you now, don't go there and start typing and start insulting them. What I want you to do is support the work. So while they are talking, we'll be pushing the work, we'll be pushing it forward. That's the kind of support I need. I don't need social media fight support. I need financial support to move our work forward. Because if we have more money, we help more people. If we have more food, we feed more people. By the way, this kitchen, this weekend is a God sent kitchen. We have few supporters this week. It's going to be a mega kitchen. A lot of people are going to eat and take money home. We continue to do this thing, man.